Hey there everyone, welcome back to another Capcut tutorial. So in this video I will show you how to blur background on Capcut PC. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, this is my video. So I want a blur background, like here is black screen right over here, so it doesn't fit the video in a square shape ratio. So what you can do is simply just select the video, and then what you can simply do is to first of all make sure that this video is into layer 1. So this is the layer 1. If we just drag it up, it will be in layer 2. So we want the video in layer 1. So after that, what you can simply do is to scroll it down and you will find the canvas option right over here. Then from here, as you can see, this is none. So if we tap on that, you will see different types of option. So I will go with the blur option and then scroll it down, and as you can see there are 4 blur steps. So I will first click the first one, and as you can see this almost looks better. Alright guys, then also you can go with the second one, which is more intensely blur, and third one is more blur, and fourth one is extremely blur. So you can simply just go with the second one and it will be alright. Then you can simply post a vertical video or this portrait video into your YouTube channel or many more things. So that's how you can simply blur the background of the video. All right, so again, just go with the blur and let's just make it like this. So this will happen to this video and OS as well. And lastly, again, the canvas and samely the blur. So if you just go with the second layer, you won't see any kind of canvas blur option. So you need to make sure that this is into the first layer. So as you can see, this now works, but if we just drag it into the second layer, it won't work. So that's how you can simply blur the background of a video that doesn't fit the canvas in Capcut PC. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a great day.